Hey folks, it's Stoop Walker here. I'm out at Mammoth Cave National Park today, chasing that LiDAR dragon. I'm at a place called Indian Hill. It's not that remote, but it's definitely an area where tourists and hikers are not going. So this is the first stop on a long adventure to explore some rock outcrops, maybe an overlook, maybe a waterfall, who knows. And I'm excited to see what's around the corner. So let's take a look. There's a few really big trees out here. Well, I've made it to my next point of interest, and I was afraid I wouldn't be able to do it justice. But straight down the hill, I found this little arch complex here. It's kind of cool. More importantly, I hear water down below. I'm really glad I came this way because it was an afterthought. I knew it was going to be hot today, so I started looking around. I was like, I'd really like to visit a waterfall and maybe a spring or something. So I started pulling up LiDAR and looking real close to see what I could come across. And I found this little valley here and realized that I had totally missed its potential. And I think you'll see what I mean. Oh, that feels good. Got to check out where this water goes. It's actually draining down here into a canyon. Cool. I don't think I can go down that way. This is a really cool little hollow down here. And the funny thing is that the water sinks into a sinkhole. Pretty typical for Mammoth Cave. Yeah, I think I found the place to cool off today. Wow.